Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix comments not showing on TikTok. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to try to do is clear app cache. So in order to do that, simply go ahead and open your TikTok app.
You've said Iranian.
Then simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon and tap on the top right triple lines icon and then tap on settings and privacy. Now all you need to do is scroll all the way down and tap on free up space and click on clear right beside your clear cache. This should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, it could be because of your internet as well. Simply try to toggle on and toggle off your airplane mode just to give it a quick refresh, or you could also try to switch between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Make sure that VPN is always turned off. And finally, go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store. Go to the search bar and search for TikTok. Once you've done that, simply tap on the application and there should be a update button if there are any updates available. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.